Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy Walsh and I'm the Director of Support for BNI Connect. Today, we're going to show you how to get started with our online, social, and data management platform, BNI Connect. BNI Connect allows you to do lots of things, such as connect with other members around the world. But today, I'm going to show you the first 3 steps to getting started with this online platform. We're going to review how to log in, how to establish a profile, and getting started with recording your network activity. First things first, let's go to our online platform. Open up your favorite browser and go to www.bniconnect.com. The username and password you would use is the same one that you may have established when you first visited a BNI chapter. But now you'll get to see so much more of the system. If you don't remember what that username and password is, that's okay. Just click here to register or reset your password. All you would need to do is enter your email address, the same one you used to apply to BNI with, and fill out the CAPTCHA to prove that you're not a robot. We'll send you an email with instructions for resetting your password. Once you've done that, return to bniconnect.com anytime to log in. I'm going to go ahead and log in now. Once logged in, most of the things that you'll do on a daily basis are right here on your home screen. It'll show you what chapter you're in, a place that you can go to change your password, update your profile, and update your privacy settings. It will keep track of all your activity, showing you the last 12 months and lifetime, and a place to go to start recording all of your online activity. First things first, you're going to want to fill out your profile. The reason you want to do this is because your profile appears in a number of places. It appears here in BNI Connect for your fellow chapter members and anybody around the world that may find you. It also appears on the country website and on your regional website, both of which are accessible to the general public. Finally, it appears in our mobile app. To fill out your profile, just click on Update Profile, My BNI page. The big secret to filling out your profile is to just go through each of these tabs along the top. Wherever you see an empty space, put something in there. You can then return to the home page. Now that you've logged into BNI Connect, you can start to also record your weekly activity, such as one-to-ones, referrals, thank you for closed business, and CEUs. Just click the link to start recording. To review, today we talked about logging into BNI Connect, establishing a profile, and how to record your networking activity. Congratulations on becoming a BNI member, and happy connecting!